Hey everyone, welcome back. Are you in a Whatnot live show but seeing a black screen with no video even though the chat is showing and you can hear the seller? Here's the fix. The black screen with audio but no video means Whatnot is streaming the audio correctly but the video stream is failing to decode on your device. This is almost always a network processing speed issue rather than the seller stream being down. First, go to your settings and then toggle airplane mode on. Wait for about 15 seconds and then turn it back off. This will reset your network session completely. After that, reopen the show. If the video is still black, force close the whatnot from your recent apps and then reopen it. If the video decoder initializes fresh on each app's launch and won't often reconnect the stream correctly. If you're on Wi-Fi, go to settings, tap Wi-Fi, and find your network. Tap the icon I, forget it, the network, and reconnect it fresh. Then try the show again. If the black screen happens every so, update the Whatnot app from the App Store since video rendering fixes are released in new builds. So all you've got to do is go to settings and then reset your airplane mode reset, force close and reopen, or forget and reconnect the Wi-Fi. What video loads in stream, and that's it. Subscribe.